Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace the rear wiper motor on Ford Fiesta Mk7 guys, generation 2009 to 2018. So this is the motor we're talking about. If yours is not working, stay with us. We'll show you how we got to that point and how we're going to remove it. Also guys, we have more than 200 videos taking this whole Fiesta apart. So if you need anything, probably it's on the channel. If it's not, it will be in the near future. Please give a subscribe for all the hard work we do taking our own vehicle apart. Also, if you want to find out more, videos will be coming on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have engine codes, airbag codes, electrical videos there. So let's start on that rear wiper motor now. So after we remove the spoiler guys, we need to continue with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and right here there is one screw. Okay, that you need to remove. We need to do quite a bit of disassembly here now. And this is because we need to remove all the wires. Okay, this one here. Now, those, they probably have a clip holding somewhere. Okay, so let's see where that one is. So you just pull it straight out. There is two clips, okay, right here. And the one on this side, it's holding pretty good here. Okay, this one came loose too. You can see just two clips here. Okay, we'll put this one in the trunk. Now we need to start removing this one, and we're going to get a trim removal tool for this one. Okay, something that we can pry with, so let me get a few of those. So we don't do much damage to the plastic. All the tools and parts that we use guys will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Okay, eventually the clips are coming off one by one. Some of them are holding really good. Okay, right here there is one more. Okay, you can see this one right here. So let me just grab the screwdriver here. Check. And those are the clips right here. Okay, now let us show you where all the clips are. To here. You can see, so 3 on this side, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 10 clips that we have right here. So now we need to go ahead, spread that cap, okay, and to pull it like that. So that way we can go ahead and remove the nut here, and once we remove the nut, we'll be able to pull the rear wiper arm off. Okay, so let's see what tool we need to use here now. It will be a 13. On the front wipers it's 15. Rear one is 13. Okay, we have one washer. Lock washer as well here. And now if you grab the wiper, okay, all you need to do, you just need to move it a little bit and it will come off eventually. Okay, to be honest with you, it will be stuck pretty good. Eventually it will come off. Okay, you can see it goes on those teeth and they tend to corrode. Once you remove the plastic guys, okay, you can see we're to the motor now. You need to disconnect the wire here. And we need to get 8mm socket now, and we'll need to remove three bolts here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now you can just go ahead and pull the whole motor assembly out of the way, guys. You can see that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together, everything else is in reverse order. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time.